Another rainy day here in South Florida. We are going to allow the birds out from their home. This is clearly where they sleep. Hi Marshmallow, you sleeping? They live out here and they are free to go when they choose. Some people believe that this is terrible, that they have this little cage that they can't fly, but they don't understand that they literally only sleep in there during sleeping hours. Other than that, they are free, which is why Marshmallow is not moving, because he's content. Hey guys, it's a rainy day. Maybe we'll give you guys some baths today. Stay tuned. Follow us.